Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Apulia. Many of you may know that Italy looks like a boot, and Apulia is the region covering the heel part. So we are in the southern part of Italy, the weather is beautiful and it is a really unique scenery. We are surrounded by olive trees and the infinity views are gorgeous. Right now we are in the enchanted garden of the property we're visiting today. It is an incredible estate. Over 10 hectares, perfectly manicured, with centuries-old olive trees all around and 2 blocks of incredible Trulli homes that have been converted into luxury accommodation. We are right between Ostuni and Ceglie Messapica, which are 2 of the most famous locations of the whole region, and just 15 kilometers to the incredible seaside of Apulia. What a property! Let's discover it together. Come with me. Trullis are a very traditional construction in this region. In fact, they are equivalent to the country home in Tuscany. They are in fact the farmhouse version for Apulia. Farmers in the past used to use them either for storage for wheat or for agricultural products. In fact, given to the great insulation they guarantee, thanks to the thick walls that we will see later, you could open the tip part that you see on top and fill them from the top, walking on the roof. In fact, right now we're standing on the roof, and they would act as great boxes for wheat and agricultural products. Other of them were used as an accommodation for the farmer where he was working on the fields. The estate precisely covers 10.3 hectares of land, mostly covered by beautiful olive trees, and at the heart we find the main 2 blocks of Trulli. One is right in front of me, and right behind me you see the second block. They are close by, but they also have their independence. Ideal either as an accommodation business or as well to host 2 families of friends. Each block has a beautiful swimming pool overlooking this incredible view. About 100 meters from the restored Trulli, we find another block that you see right behind me. They are really large, over 200 meters of interior space. This part needs to be restored and could be ideal if one wants to further expand onto the livable areas of the property. By the other side, about 100 meters from here, we find a smaller block which as well can be restored to enlarge the amount of bedrooms. Let's begin talking about the first block of Trullis that you see on my left. Let's start from the external parts. We have, anywhere you look, these beautiful broad paths all around that are covered with this light stone typical from Apulia. It is very used in these areas because in the summer, when it's hot, this doesn't heat up too much and it is very comfortable to walk around. Right by the first block of Trulli, we find this beautiful covered area. This is perfect to enjoy a summer lunch, a summer breakfast, or a dinner with up to 20 people. In fact, look at this table. It is huge and perfect for family dinners or dinners with friends. On this side, we have all of this kitchen part. It begins over here with a pizza oven. This part opens up. You can cook pizza with firewood. On the bottom part, this is really smart. They have made these drawers to store firewood, and the same over here. On this side, this is ideal for barbecues. On my right, we find this beautiful island with a stone top, with a sink, and right behind you have a precious gem in the property, which is the vegetable garden. As you can see, lots of plants are planted and it is beautiful to pick them and cook them fresh. Through the stone paths embellished by Mediterranean plants, we get to the first out of 2 swimming pool. This is 15 by 7 meters. It has a saltwater filtration system and it is nicely covered with mosaic finishes. All around we find this light Apulian stone, ideal to walk barefoot all around. Over here we have this covered area to enjoy some shade and an evening swimming pool side aperitivo. On this side, right behind, we have 2 nice outdoor showers after the swimming pool. Even though we are in the middle of an unspoiled nature with total privacy, the property has been equipped with all of the most modern comforts. We have high-speed Wi-Fi, we have wells to irrigate all of the external parts of the property, an outdoor camera system, night illumination system, and photovoltaic panels. Welcome inside the first Trullo. This building is 215 square meters in internal space with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The walls are incredibly thick. In some Trullos, they are even up to 3 meters thick. In fact, even on the hotter summer days, it is nice and cool inside. And in the winter days, they keep the warmth very well. This, to be a Trullo, is really large. Generally, they're much smaller. In fact, it grants us these huge living spaces. At the entrance space, we find this beautiful dining table made out of one single block of stone. Right in front of me, you access to the first bathroom of the Trullo. This can serve all of the common areas. Right beside, we have the kitchen space. The kitchen is finished with this beautiful corten finish and with the same light color stone that you find on the floors and on the walls, also on the top. It is fully equipped. We have the fridge and refrigerator on this side. This door opens into a large storage space that can act as a pantry. Then we have the working area over here. Lots of drawers for extra space. Gas stove and oven, sink over here, and a second oven on this side. Next, we find this first sitting area. Over here, they have made this beautiful fireplace with the same metal as the kitchen. In fact, it's matching, and this is working and ideal for the colder months of the year. One thing that I think every time I'm inside a Trullo is how immense this space is and how it used to be filled all the way up in the past with agricultural products. We keep going into a cozy TV space that connects to the bedrooms. The first one is over here with a beautiful view on the garden outside. By the way, the Trullis are equipped with underfloor heating and with air conditioning all around. As we keep going, we find another 2 bedrooms. Let me show you the first one over here with its ensuite bathroom. And here we have the primary bedroom. I love how inside each bedroom you are inside a Trullo, so when you're laying on the bed you can see all of this beautiful conic shape right above. As we keep going, we find the arch with an independent access to the garden over here. This is a walk-in wardrobe side over here, and we keep going into the large bathroom with shower and on the right with laundry area. We're now finished with the first block of Trulli. Let's now head to the second one. I love how they are close by, but at the same time they have their own privacy, and how these beautiful paths connect them. All of these external lights look incredible at night. Follow me. Right behind me you see the second block of Trulli. They are very similar in size, about 210 square meters of internal space with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Now I will show you the swimming pool area, but before that I want to mention how the driveway goes to the front. On a hidden spot we find a huge hidden garage space that at the moment is used for agricultural vehicles, but could also be perfect to store up to 5 or 6 large cars. On the side of the Trullo we have a second beautiful covered area. It is close by to the swimming pool, and also here we find a huge table with up to 12 people sitting. On the side we have another outdoor kitchen with sink over here, storage. This is a beautiful gas barbecue. And on this side we have an outdoor fridge. Let's have a look at the swimming pool. And here we have the second swimming pool. As well, it is 15 by 7 meters, beautifully covered with mosaic finishes, and it has a saltwater filtration system. This is my favorite swimming pool because we are on the tip of the property and it beautifully finishes into nature. You can have a beautiful swim and rest by the side overlooking this incredible nature. Over here we find this stone-paved sunbathing area that blends in beautifully with this part right here. I love these 4 steel bars on the side that have this sail in the center which spins. The central part spins and it opens it or closes it if you want more or less shade. This is perfect for an evening cocktail by the pool with a sunset. Welcome inside the second block of Trulli. As you walk in, you find a really bright space, which is very special in a Trullo, given the fact that generally there are not many openings. Here you find these 2 beautiful doors that pass all the way through. You have this large table right here, and on the other side, if you exit from this part, you reach the covered area outdoor with the 12 seating that I've shown you earlier. What I love about this room as well is this beautiful vaulted ceiling right above with the same stones used on the floor and all the way outside. On my right, close to the dining space, you get to the kitchen, which is in the same style as the other kitchen we've seen. Nice and spacious, and even here we are inside a Trullo, so if you look up you find this beautiful cone-shaped ceiling. On a corner of the dining space we get to the first 2 bedrooms, but first in the middle we find this bathroom, which is a bathroom serving all of the common areas and also with a laundry. On the left, let's begin with the first bedroom. Nice and cozy and with 2 windows. One of the 2, it is also a beautiful large door which grants this room independent access. It also has its closet and ensuite bathroom. Welcome inside the second bedroom. Also here we are inside a Trullo and you can admire it as you lay down. I love how through this large window you can overlook the outdoor part and enjoy the beautiful sunsets in the evening. On this side, they have created this wardrobe space, and I love how they finished it with the same finish as the kitchen. On this corner over there, we find the large ensuite bathroom with shower of the bedroom. Connected to the dining space, passing through this arch, we get to this middle room over here, which is a TV room. Large TV over there, and as we keep going, we find ourselves inside another Trullo with a separate access. This is a sitting area that keeps going. On the end, we have a little office space, and it connects us to the last bedroom. Let's have a look. This is probably my favorite out of the three because it has this incredible view outside overlooking the pool and the infinity views on the nature. On this side, of course, it's large ensuite bathroom and wardrobe opposite over there. And here we are ending today's property tour with a beautiful sunset by the poolside. This home is truly a slice of heaven. We are immersed in unspoiled nature in one of the most beautiful parts of Italy. The silence here is incredible and truly relaxing. I think this estate is an opportunity for somebody looking for a holiday home in a place that offers total privacy and total relaxation. You have your main villa and the second villa as a guest house. As well, it is an opportunity for an accommodation business using the existing bedrooms together with the possibility of restoring the other buildings that need to be restored. I hope you enjoyed this property just as much as I did. Please remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!